This 5-minute solution will show you how to link Twitch channel to Facebook page. First of all, we need to switch to our Facebook page. So tap on menu, tap on this arrow icon and select your Facebook page. And now go to your page profile. Tap on this three dot. Once you are in your page profile, scroll down and tap on edit public details. And scroll down. Here you will get this links option. So to add your Twitch link, tap on edit or add. And here tap on add social link. Tap on platform. And here search for Twitch. Select it. In this username box, enter here your Twitch username and tap on done. Tap on save. And as you can see, I've successfully added my Twitch here. That's how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.